All right. Clap.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Craig from Union Woodco here. I'm here today with Gian behind the camera and Todd joining us. We're going to make a video today on how to use your Union Woodco Care Kit. This is available on our website and we're going to put it to use today. So come on in, let's go. Alright, so we're going to go through the furniture care kit today. This is available on our website at unionwoodco.com, and I'm going to kind of walk you through it and show you how we use it and have some suggestions on how you can use it on your furniture. I want to almost do a bit of a, it's like, right. So that's what I kind of want to say, you know what I mean? I can't remember that already. So it's the same. And wood itself, even though it's a component of a piece of furniture now, it's still a living and breathing thing. It's still living part of its life cycle, even though it's used as a component in furniture. And that means that it's, it adapts to the environment around it, okay? So, whether it's the outside weather or, the inside weather, solid wood will adapt to the environment that it's in. So today we're on site at a customer's house who had a really unfortunate event. They had some bad flooding here, and on top of that, the flooding was all super hot water, so it was like a sauna in this house. Very unfortunate event, and I feel really awful for the client. And so we're here to check it out, and we thought it was a great opportunity to show you guys around the care kit, and we're gonna go touch up some minor imperfections that were caused in the table due to this great change in the humidity, all right? All right, guys, we're gonna crack open the care kit, all right? So a bit of an unboxing kind of thing. So, there you go. Oops. Okay, so right when you flip it open, there's an instructional card here, okay? So it's got its contents and some how-to tips and tricks on how to use the contents that are in the care kit to repair your furniture. All right, so the first item I'm seeing here is a white abrasive pad, okay? So it's not sandpaper, but this can help to knock down any raised grain or scuff up any areas that you might need to touch up. So that's key. Also is a shop rag, okay? Now this could vary in color, but there will be a cloth here and this will let you apply some of the oil wax sealer, okay? In here we have various finishes to be touched up. So this one's got a clear oil wax, okay? So this is the sealer that's on your table. This is what seals it and prevents it from getting stained. So this is a great thing to have, handy little thing. We've got some white paint here. As you can see with the white paint and all these bottles, they actually have a dabber brush on there, kind of like a nail polish brush. Super handy for touching anything up, real easy to do. Same with the black paint, okay? So obviously just give it a shake before you use it. The other cool part of the care kit here is these Mohawk fill sticks. So these are like a special wax that you can rub into cracks or checks, small nicks, that kind of thing. And this will help fill it and blend it into the table, okay? This care kit comes with a couple of different colors. And we can modify the colors that you need. You can order that through our website. There's an area where you can just tell us what colors you need, whether your table is black or white or clear coated walnut, and we'll send you the appropriate stuff, all right? Okay guys, so we're gonna, damn it.
I think you're using the characteristic haircut.
Okay, so to fill a crack or check on a solid wood table, you need your wax stick, a cloth, and a card, okay? So the first step is to clean the area. Okay, but we want a nice clean surface, okay? And then you're gonna rub the wax stick in, okay? And you can go against or across the grain here, okay? So really you're just rubbing this wax stick in and trying to fill this crack or check. Go over it, overlap each side a little bit and go past the end, maybe an inch or so. Okay, until you've got that nice and full. And then you're gonna take a card, any card will do, probably one you don't use much, and just scrape away that excess wax that's on the surface of the table, okay? After you do that, grab your cloth again and just buff out any of the wax that's still on the surface, okay? Okay, and that's it. Your crack and check is full and not gonna collect food or debris, and it's ready to go again. That's pretty good, huh? I'll kind of quickly talk you through how to use the clear sealant, which is the oil wax finish. Okay, this is an all natural finish and really easy to apply to any table. I'm not going to do it on this particular table, but the first step that you're going to do is just scuff the area around the damaged spot or imperfection, and that's going to clean it with this abrasive pad, but it's also going to remove any kind of like flakes or slivers or debris that's kind of in the way around there. So feel free to get in there and give it a good rub with this abrasive pad. The next thing you're going to do is give this a good shake, and then as you can see here, it's got a dabber on it. So you can liberally apply this oil, okay? So apply it in the direction of the grain of the table, and kind of goop it on there quite liberally, all right? Let it sit on there for maybe like 10, 20 seconds kind of thing and soak in a little bit. And then you're gonna use your shop cloth to just kind of gently buff that out, all right? About 18 to 24 hours, that will dry. And if it needs to be buffed off again after that, just quickly around it, you can do that one more time, all right? So if you have a black piece of furniture, we'll send you a black paint, or if it's a white piece of furniture, we'll send you white, or likewise with other colors, okay? So what you're gonna wanna do before you apply this is thoroughly clean the area. So for the paint to adhere, you gotta make sure it's a nice clean area. Then you're gonna hit it with the abrasive pad, in about an inch circle kind of around the damaged area, so to speak. You can use the dabber here and apply a paint, gently in a single, one direction, lengthwise with the piece of furniture if possible. It'd be better to do like 2 or 3 little light coats than it is to do one big globby heavy coat. All right, so that's how you use the touch-up paint. Drive across and then up in through that tunnel.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
If you like the video. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining us on the table care guide. Hopefully you can use some of those tips and tricks of the trade there to do any spot repairs on some of your furniture. And again, don't forget to like the video if you like the video. Hit subscribe if you want to see all of our other videos. We got lots of more content coming for you, lots of cool stuff. Drop us a comment if you have a video that you're thinking of and you want to see it, you want to see us talk about it, or what would these guys do in this situation. Just drop a comment below and we'll help you out with that. And other than that, just carry on to watch the next video, and we can go from there. All right, see ya.